Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Failures leads to success. Failure leads to success because you learn from it. Every failure is an opportunity to gain or acquire knowledge or a skill. As we go through life, there are certain things that we fail at, certain things that we are not good at from the beginning. But we don't give up and keep trying. They say you learn from your mistakes, right? Failure fosters humility, which is not only necessary for leadership but self improvement. Intellectual humility means recognizing that we don't know everything. It allows us to acknowledge our limitations, seek answers, and accept new ideas. Think about Thomas Edison. In response to a question about his missteps, Edison once said, I have not failed 10,000 times. I have successfully found 10,000 ways that will not work. What would have happened if he had given up after the 9,999th attempt? Now, a new study reveals that failing early in your career can make you more successful in future. There's a strong evidence that shows we actually learn from our failure than our success. It's not merely the act of failing that leads to success, it's failing and then getting back up and trying again. Coming back from failure teaches resilience, and resilience is the one quality all successful people have in common. It's failure that gives you the proper perspective on success. Every success comes with hundreds, perhaps thousands of rejections, blunders, and defeats, all of which are just as important as the accomplishment itself. No success story happens overnight. What we tend to see are mostly the wins, not the losses. The fear of failure leads millions to live their lives in, for example, you are working in a job you hate with a pay and advancement ceiling. You have the option to quit and start your own business, but you are so afraid of failing that you never give it a real shot. Failure is always a possibility, and us as a society, we need to stop decrying it. Successful people see failure as a necessary step of the process and a valuable learning opportunity. Every failure is an opportunity to gain or acquire knowledge or a skill. Failure leads to success because you learn from it. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.